Start with what you're doing in Indonesia, Tim. What are you looking for there?
Oh, well, this is a great time for the unbanked. This is a huge opportunity because I look and I say, if a group is unbanked right now, there's a huge opportunity through Bitcoin and the blockchain to bank all these people and make it so that they can pay their bills, and there's a huge rising middle class. This is a major, major opportunity here in Indonesia. And we're working with the Wavemaker partners. They're one of the Draper Venture Network partners. And they're taking me around and showing me all the great entrepreneurs and great opportunities here.
I want to pick up on the most recent headline-making comments that you made about not being so keen on China these days because of these capital controls. I mean, isn't that sort of part and parcel of doing business in some of these EMs?
Oh, well, I love China. I love all the Chinese people I've gotten to know, and I love the whole country and all the great things that have happened there. It's just the government is not letting money out, and I have money that is owed to me that they're not letting out of the country. And I'm a fiduciary. I can't justify investing any more money into a country where they are not letting money out. It's like putting money into a black hole. So that's the only reason that your writer picked up on that.
Yep, and Tim, that's something which could change in the future. But let's look at what you are seeing in Jakarta with Wavemakers, your partners there. What is the most compelling idea you've seen?
So we're just getting started. They're going to take me on a bus tour through Jakarta, and I'm going to be pitched by a whole bunch of different entrepreneurs. But I'm pretty excited about what's going on. We're going to meet the team at Gojek, and I've met the CEO of Grab, and I think that's one of many, many, many applications that are going to start happening here in Indonesia, and I think this is just a great place to be. I can see the excitement. I've been stuck in the traffic. I get the whole thing. There is going to be a lot going on here. I think another thing I want to say is that when you're in a country like this, the infrastructure is not there. But that's a good thing for entrepreneurship because you can set up a new infrastructure. In the U.S., for instance, we had landlines, and so we were stuck with landlines, so we were slow to bring on the smartphone. But China didn't have any landlines, so they could just jump right into the smartphone. In Indonesia here, I think the same things happened. They don't have very good banking services. So now they have an opportunity to use Bitcoin and make that their currency. And so suddenly we've got this major opportunity that is not going to be around for those countries that already have strong infrastructure because we're ready to leapfrog that. So I always look for these countries where the population is really surging, and they have are free of all those burdens of infrastructure, I guess.